fastest rising companies in the industry, with one of the most powerful and versatile helicopters in the world, and the highest caliber of team members dedicated to a single goal of maintaining our place as the premier heavy lift service provider of the millennium. Erickson Air Crane is leading the way in vertical lift. The S-64 air crane began from a dream by Igor Sikorsky, pioneer aviator and father of modern rotorcraft aviation. He set out to design and build a helicopter that would perform as an airborne emergency response and heavy lift aircraft. The U.S. Army were among the first customers, purchasing a number of S-64s for use in the jungles of Vietnam. Under the Army's Air Mobile program, the CH-54 was the primary means of transporting supplies, equipment, and vehicles throughout the Southeast Asian theater of operations. In a more important life-saving role, the CH-54 was fitted with a universal pod that attached to the fuselage and provided a means for mobile surgical facilities. It was around 1971 when Jack Erickson purchased 4 S-64E Sky Cranes, and the legacy of the air crane was to begin. Erickson Air Crane put the S-64 to work almost immediately, pulling huge amounts of wood out of steep, inaccessible areas. The helicopter offered incredible versatility to adapt to any harvesting prescription with a level of efficiency unheard of previously. It was no time before the S-64 proved itself as a profitable timber harvesting machine. Currently, Erickson Air Crane flies high-powered heli harvesting operations in Malaysia, the Pacific Northwestern United States, and the western provinces of Canada. Today, because of the resounding success of new technology and new thinking, Erickson has mitigated the normal June to September seasonal limitations and now operates timber harvesting aircraft year-round. In the region of Southeast Asia, new forest practices integrating scientific environmental preservation principles mean a bigger market for S-64 heli harvesting in the future. After purchasing the first helicopters, Erickson saw the value in developing the ancillary performance capabilities of the S-64 Sky Crane. Sikorsky Aircraft had already established the precision construction prowess of the helicopter. Erickson Air Crane realized these capabilities and has since taken them several steps further. The S-64 has proven itself to be a robust platform for support of oil and gas exploration. A history of successful support work has laid the foundation for future expansion in the northern and southern hemispheres. Today, Erickson operates S-64 helicopters globally, executing precision heavy lift operations from mountaintop ski lifts to thousands of miles of power lines, thousand-foot-tall broadcast towers, to the more unique and decorative items that receive a significant amount of attention. It was 1993 when the architect of the Capitol hired Erickson Air Crane to remove and replace the Statue of Freedom located atop the Capitol Dome in Washington, D.C. Freedom's icon glided back up to her view, ready for another 1,000 years of vigilance. Around that same time,